with sunlight, your lips red as flame, your face without luster that puts gold to shame. But if I'd ever leave you, how could it be in autumn? Seeing you in autumn, I never would go. I've seen how you smile when fall lifts the air. I know you in autumn, and I must be there. Could I leave you running merrily through the snow, or on a wintry evening when you'll catch the fire's glow? If ever I would leave you, how could it be in springtime, knowing how in spring I'm bewitched by your soul? Oh no, not in spring.